Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's over the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Keep that down. The lightning round. Let's over Drew and talk about Drew.
A big roll tide booyah, Jim.
I love the barbecue down there. What's happening?
I've been a club member for 8 years. Thank you so much for teaching us the financial freedom.
I really appreciate it. Glad you moved over to CNBC, too. That's fantastic. What's up?
I bought a whole lot of shares in March of 2020 at $13. It's now at $57. Do I stay long for the reopening play and their dividend, or do I sell? My stock is Cedar Fair.
Oh, you stay there. I like that one very much. You stay there. So did SeaWorld. I think your stock goes much higher. You need to go to Alan in Virginia. Alan.
Good evening, Jim. I enjoy your show.
Thank you
for taking my call.
My pleasure.
In 2000, Jim, I was following a company named Ciena, CIEN.
Oh, the heyday. Go ahead. What do we do? Alan? I don't really care for Ciena because I got Cisco all the way down here at 55, and they just reported an unbelievable quarter. Why do we have to go down there to Ciena food chain? Let's go, Scherr in Missouri. Jerry.
Jim, thanks for taking my call.
Okay.
I'm a founding member. I've been founding for a long, long time. The position that we're talking about was one of your favorites from last spring. Unfortunately, it's now a battleground, going down more than 50% this year. Do you think it's going to come back, or should I reinvest my holding in Roblox?
It's too low to sell. The problem is that the market changed. As I said in the November club call, now you got to start making things and do stuff and making money doing it and return it to shareholders. And that company does not do the latter two, so that's why it will not go up very much. Let's go to Paige in California. Paigey.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. I have a question for you on Hertz. Why hasn't more smart money picked up on all the great things that they have done?
I think this smart money's done. They should be buying this thing. Steve Scherr is the CEO. He's the used to be the Goldman CFO. He is dynamite, and he's going to come on the show. Now, he doesn't know that, but he will. Let's go to Mark in Florida. Mark.
Hi, Jim. I enjoyed the morning meeting and your advice to raise some cash
thank you.
for
10:20
buying
morning meeting.
opportunity.
10:20 morning meeting. You can't miss it. What's up?
Well, I raised some cash the way you suggested.
Good.
My question is about MP Materials. Yesterday, they reported an earning and a revenue beat. And I know several law firms were initiating class action lawsuits against them.
Oh,
Where
they
do you
can
think the
pound
stock is
sand.
going?
I think MP's real. Now, we had it to do when I didn't like all that insider selling, but they promised, they delivered, and it goes higher, and I like them. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.